steering wheel is shaking, then you'll know that a visit to our dealership isn't far behind. While it might be safe for a little bit to put off other car maintenance problems, your steering wheel is another story. Whether the cause of your steering wheel shaking are your car tires or a fluid leak, we're here for you. We've got the 6 warning signs to be on the lookout for and what to do if you're in this situation. Before we dive in, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If your steering wheel is stuck or won't turn, then check if the fluid canister is empty. If it is, then you're going to want to add some fluid to this reservoir ASAP. If you notice that your steering wheel is vibrating and it's not due to off-roading, then pull over. If your steering wheel is starting to shake, then this could be the cause of a past due wheel alignment. And if your car isn't steering correctly, then this can be caused by a loose steering gear, worn ball joints, or a loose wheel bearing. Also, if your steering wheel bounces when you're driving fast or braking, then your wheels might be out of balance, unevenly worn, or not inflated correctly. If your car pulls to one side, then this is due to a worn-out steering gear. Be sure to pull over right away and check under your car for any leaks. Grinding or screeching noises might be caused by a loose or worn-out steering belt. This connects the power steering pump to the engine, and this noise is due to a low amount of power steering fluid. Get your car checked at Toyota of Clermont at 16851 State Road 50.